I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a credit card to your Boost Mobile account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Boost Mobile website or open the Boost Mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment options. Once logged in, find the payment or billing section on your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Add a new credit card. Look for an option that says Add Payment Method or Add Credit Card. Click on it to start entering your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you accidentally enter the wrong expiration date, you might get an error message. Double check your details before saving. I hope this guide helps you add your credit card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.